How to export your data from Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can migrate your personal data or extract your personal data from Claude. So in order to start, all you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we need to do is simply click on to our logo right here at the bottom left corner. Now, once you've clicked onto the account logo, you will see this particular menu bar that appears. From here, click onto the settings option at the top and then click onto the privacy tab. Now, within the privacy tab, you will see this option of export data under the privacy settings. From here, click onto this export data, and from here you can select the kind of data that you wish to export. So from here you can see this says a downloaded link will be sent to your email and the link expires in 24 hours. So from here you can determine the length of the conversation, like 30 days, 90 days, all of the conversation. Then after typing in the specific conversation form, for example, let's say I have said 30 days, then this conversation includes users and projects as well. Once you are done, simply click onto this export button and the link will be shared with you on the mail, using which you can access and download the same. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.